Hi friends, today we are with Xiaomi Redmi 1S. It is a 4.7-inch display having Dragon Trail glass on the above, and it is having 8 megapixel rear camera with flash. It is a removable battery, not like My 3, and it has 1.2 megapixel on the front. The storage is 8 GB and it runs on 1.6 gigahertz quad core processor of Snapdragon 400, and the battery is 2000 milliampere. So this is all about the phone, and it is available only in the Flipkart. And yes, the phone looks very good and the price is amazing. Yes, it is having Jelly Bean, which is a very sad, but you will get the update very soon. And the price is 5999 5999. So it is very good, and this is like 4.3 Jelly Bean. So running on yes, the MyUI don't have a app drawer. Anyways, we like the phone. It is a good phone, and we will get this charger with some of these will be silicone back covers for the phone, and these are the cases you can change. Actually they are good, and this is you can carry case for My 3 Redmi 1S, sorry. And you can also get the screen guard. The prices I will list below, just check it. And one thing which is very cool in My 3 is that if you go to the settings and there is a light mode. Yes, this is not available in My 3. This is light mode. Just go and change into light mode. The phone will reboot, and it is actually one of the common things you will find in the Samsung and other smartphone. It is the basic mode or the easy mode, where you will get the icons display bigger, and who are very new to the phone and very new to the Android world and don't know MyUI, so they can use it actually, and it is a nice feature. And let's see what we got. I forgot to tell you that it is a dual SIM phone. There is a one 3G card slot and the other is 2G card slot. And yes, the icons are bigger, you can see directly. So we do the swipe thing. You can see the gallery, camera, and messaging. We can go to this application, and if we want more application we can add it from here. We go to other things, we can check the calculator, settings, message, contacts. So things are pretty bigger and very easier to do, and we love this thing. It is for the parents and the kids who are new to the phone. And if you want to switch again, just go to the settings, system settings, and there will be a light mode. Go and switch the light mode again, and here it is been switched. The phone comes with 1 GB RAM, and this is it. This is the speaker, this is the 3.5 mm jack, and this is the input of charging point. This is the power button, these are the volume keys. So this is how the phone looks like. Let me reboot the phone once, so that I can show you what is the normal mode. Let's wait, and yes, it is booted. So the launcher is loaded, everything is done, and it is pretty similar looking like MyUI. We love the phone with the price tag of 5999. Okay, this is me @IOldMonk signing out for Gizmo Maniacs. Bye bye, see ya, take care. Share the video, like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye.